Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. In the previous class, we have started the new lesson, that is Expert Detectives. Let us continue. In the earlier class, we came to know that the children Maya and Nishad were discussing about Mr. Nath. The interaction continues. But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere. Mr. Mehta had informed that Mr. Nath was not at all working anywhere. The children came to know after this. So, how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Then the children questioned themselves how Mr. Nath would pay for the food. Exactly, I exclaimed. Exclaimed means expressed a sudden feeling. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. The girl, Maya, suddenly responded that exactly. Then she made her statement approval. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. They guessed that he might have hidden that money in his room. The children predicted that the trunk in Mr. Nath's room was full of silver, gold, and jewels. At that time, the boy interrupted. Nishad interrupted. What rubbish? Rubbish means useless. I know I am right, stupid, I told him. Then the girl replied that I am right. She replied that she was right and she called her brother stupid. By the way, Seven, did you see his scars? Then the girl asked about the cut marks on Mr. Nath's face. Scars means the black spots. I couldn't. It was too dark, but I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. Then the girl stated that the cut marks were made by the police while he was escaping from the shell, right? Mummy told us quite clearly they were burn scars. Nishad said firmly. Firmly means directly. The boy replied quickly that the scars, burn marks, that was the statement given by their mother, who was also a doctor, right? Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. Then the girl predicted another issue, that the cut marks are not acceptable, but they might have made by the police itself, right? Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. To catch him, the police might have used the fire. At that time those burn marks took place. That was her opinion. Seven looked unsure. Unsure means doubtful. The boy, Nishad, was not ready to agree with Maya. On the Monday following Mamma's birthday, on Monday, the children's mother was going to celebrate birthday. Seven went alone with her to the clinic at Girgam. The clinic was in the place called Girgam. The boy Nishad, called Seven also, he went alone with her. With her means with his mother. He went alone with his mother to the clinic. At that time, Maya was not with them, as I was spending the evening with a school friend. The girl Maya was spending her leisure time with her school friend. When they returned, at that time, they refers to the boy Nishad and his mother, right? Nishad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath. The boy explained that he got an opportunity to meet Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed. Annoyed means anger. She felt very bad because she didn't get that chance to meet Mr. Nath, that I hadn't been there. She felt sorry for that. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's giant appearance. Giant means sicky. he was looking like unwell, right? And was sure that he was starving. Starving means hunger. The boy was sure Mr. Nath was suffering from lack of food, right? Starvation. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door. The boy explained that he had knocked at the door of Mr. Nath that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath," that he had called to open the door. The man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" Mr. Nath had opened the door and asked that the boy, he asked that, "Have you lost another marble?" When Mr. Nath opened the door and asked the boy, "Have you lost another marble?" At that time, he had obviously recognized the boy. The boy Nishad was identified by the person Mr. Nath. When he was asked that, "Have you lost another marble?" For that, the boy Nishad replied, "No." "No," said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. The boy gave a bar of chocolate. "Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk, Seven?" I asked. The girl Maya asked the boy Nishad, "Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk?" Peek means look quickly and secretly. "Have you got a chance to look into his trunk?" Then Nishad looked disappointed. Disappointed means unhappy. "He didn't even ask me in," he said. The boy stated that he was not welcomed by Mr. Nath. Then he smiled, "But I did find out something. There was something to feel happy. Maya, I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him." The boy Nishad had gone to the restaurant to talk to Mr. Ramesh, who was giving food regularly to Mr. Nath. This is all about today's session. Read these paragraphs. We will continue this lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.